Hi my loves, it's Frida and I'm back again with another video. Hi, if you're seeing me for the first time, hi my loves, I'm Frida and I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, product reviews and so much more. If you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, you already know how we do it on here. Thank you so much my love for being so consistent, for subscribing to this channel, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos, for turning on my post notification button. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for being so consistent and God bless you. So today I'm bringing to you a very juicy topic. If you miss this video, now I'm saying you don't lose. So today I'll be talking about 5 best whitening, yes you heard me right, whitening body lotions, safe whitening body lotions that get the job done. Please, if you do not know about how to use whitening lotions properly, you're in the right place, because I have spoken about it on this my channel times without numbers. Refer to this video. Yes, please, sorry, this video that just popped up, this video that you're seeing here, refer to it. You will see it right now. Refer to it. So watch this video and come back to this video to get 5 whitening body lotions that will take your skin from 3 to 4 shades or 5 shades lighter, doing it the right way. So today I won't be telling you how to use them. You already know when it comes to me using whitening lotions is at night. Everything whitening, everything brightening, everything lightening should be done at night. So whitening, how to use whitening lotions, it will appear here, and in my description box, if you don't get to click the link here, I'll be attaching the link to the video in my description. So just check this video's description, you will see the link to the video. Okay, so these are the 5 safe whitening body lotions that will take your skin from 3 to 5 shades lighter safely without side effects, and your skin will thank you later. All right, so the first on my list is the Carrot Magic exclusive lotion. This is the picture of the lotion here. This lotion is super duper amazing. It gets the job done, and it's all that's, it's all that matters. It gets the job done, right? Yeah, so this lotion is amazing. You would love it. It can be paired with a strong shower gel. You understand? You don't have any issues there. If it's for getting the job done, it will get the job done. So it can be paired with a strong shower gel, and you will definitely see the works, the effects on it. So this is the picture of the shower gel, the Carrot Magic exclusive, did I say shower gel? Sorry, lotion, the Carrot Magic exclusive body lotion. This is a picture of it here. So the next on my list, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my notebook. You already know that I write down and make beautiful research for you guys, so I refer back to it. So the next on my list is the Instant White lotion. This Instant White, I think it has the glutathione, it has the white one. I just know them by their colors, right? It has the brown, it has the black, it has the white, it has the cream. I think it should also have the pink or yellow. Either of them, but either of them work. You see, this lotion is a lotion that I don't have problem with. This lotion, I don't have problem with this lotion. If you're also a mommy that just gave birth, postpartum, please get either of these lotions. You want to snap back your skin, get them. They would work perfectly, but also remember to use them at night and use them safely. So refer back to my video on how to use whitening lotions. The link is in the comments down, it's in the description box. I might also put it in the comments in case, so the link is there. So refer back to it and thank me later. That is that for the Instant White. Any of them, I would recommend any of them for you to use. So the next on my list is the Golden Glow lotion. I just feel like this lotion does not get the hype it deserves. This lotion works, guys. Like, this lotion works. I know someone that has contacted me to get 12 I'm not even lying. 12 pieces of this lotion. Her mom is using it, her brother is using it, her sister is using it, she is using it, and they don't want to run out of it anytime soon. So she got 12. That's a dozen of this lotion. That is to tell you that this lotion is here to stay. I believe in this lotion like this. My chest full for this lotion day. Like the lotion gets the job done. If it's about that one, they work. The lotion works. It is active. It is very nice. I love it personally, but you know it's a whitening lotion, so don't expect it to act like a safe lotion. It is not a brightening lotion. It is a whitening lotion and it is safe. But it is safe if you use it safely. Yes, so if you use it with sense, it will work with sense. If you don't use it with sense, it will not work with sense. That is just how it is with whitening lotions. Me, I'll tell you, these lotions have their side effects. But can these side effects be avoided? Yes. So yes, you can whiten your skin, but you can do it right. So if you're impatient, just take that impatience, work on your impatience first before you work on your skin. Exactly. So if you're impatient when it comes to skincare, work on your impatientness, if that is a word, before you work on your skin. So you can get this golden glow lotion. This lotion is very, very good. All that is written on it that it says it does it and more. So this lotion works perfectly. The next on my list is the Yuri Alpha Arbutin body lotion. It's a whitening lotion. It is this. Yes, that is the picture of it. That is how it looks, and it's super, super duper amazing. If it's for getting the job done, this Yuri lotion, this Alpha Arbutin Yuri lotion gets the job done perfectly. I personally love this lotion. It's as aesthetically pleasing. Like you could snap it in your skincare stash and it just looks, doesn't look out of place. It is nice, and for it getting the job done, it gets the job done. I mean, for me to say Yuri Alpha Arbutin lotion, you should know. Hearing Alpha Arbutin, you already know it now. So Alpha Arbutin gets the job done. Like in terms of brightening, lightening, whitening, make sure that whatever you're using contains alpha arbutin kojic acid, you know, that and that and that. But alpha arbutin glutathione too. Glutathione gets the job done. So look for out for these ingredients: alpha arbutin kojic acid or glutathione in your whitening lotions. You will definitely see a huge lot of change. So it contains alpha arbutin and it perfectly works. So this is a picture of it. The last on my list is the Carvier Secret Lotion. It has different colors. I think it has like 3 colors. So I'll attach a picture of it. This is it. But in case you go to a store and you see more colors, just know you're safe. You're safe. You have escaped. Oh, you're safe. You're safe. It works. Just get it and thank me later. Do you understand? This is the 5th lotion on the list, and this lotion does what it says it would do. Like it works perfectly. I won't be hyping what I don't know. Okay, I know this lotion and it works very, very nice. So please, if you want to get any of these lotions, you want to shop your skincare products and you don't know where to get original products from, please send a DM to Box Store Cosmetics. I'll be putting it here. Box Store Cosmetics, the Box Store _ng, the Box Store _ng on Instagram, Box Store Cosmetics on TikTok. Get a product from them and you will thank me later. Their products are affordable and they also offer recommendation, skincare recommendation, your challenges. Just send them a DM and they'll attend to you swiftly. But for any of these products mentioned, if there's anywhere that I know that you will get them and they are readily available to be sent out to you, original, gong, get it from them. The Box Store _ng. They sell good and original skincare products. So if you've used any of these products, let me know, how was it on your skin, and would you like to start your whitening journey? Yes, please refer back to the video that I put the link down below in my description. I talked about how to use whitening lotion so that you don't have stretch marks, you don't have green veins, and you don't have dark knuckles and other orishi that comes with using whitening lotions the wrong way. So please watch that video and then let me know. Comment down below if you're going to be using any of these products, and if you've used them, how was it on your skin? You know I love you. If you've gotten to this side of the video, this part of the video, I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye my love. Mwah.